Hello and welcome to this episode of podcast where we talk about how to run all your applications on the cloud. At the end of this podcast, you would know about the three patterns to develop and deliver applications, the existing and the new for the cloud. What we hear from our customers is that they now have all become software companies, whether they like it or not. And running that software on the cloud is only a matter of when. For our customers, the differentiation is all in the app. In order to achieve better business outcomes, we need to think about delivering all the apps, the existing and the new, in a whole new way. We recommend OpenShift container platform based on Kubernetes for traditional and cloud native applications. This protects your investments you've made on applications for decades. We also provide you with the building blocks, the frameworks, the development tools to cover traditional and cloud based applications and developments. So, let's talk about the patterns on how to develop these applications and deliver them for the cloud. One approach that many of our customers have been taking to transition to cloud is to migrate the existing monolithic applications assets to the cloud. The goal is to make the smallest number of changes to have the application running successfully in a cloud environment. The first step is to move these monoliths to a modern application platform, application server such as JBoss, EAP. Smaller frozen apps are ideal candidates here. Red Hat also provides a tool called Application Migration Toolkit that enables large-scale application migration and modernization. The next step is to containerize your application, which is running on EAP, and deploy it on OpenShift. These are still monolithic applications. However, this allows teams to take advantage of investments made in existing applications and still benefit from cloud environments. The next pattern is how to modernize existing applications. Highly scaled and high rate of change apps are ideal candidates here, and these are usually business critical apps. This method is all about wrapping existing functionality with APIs and then breaking them down from a monolith into microservices or mini services. The first step is to containerize the application and deploy them on a PaaS platform. This is very similar to the previous pattern. The next step is to start reshaping this application by exposing existing services as APIs. Now, the next step is to start peeling out services from the existing application, like the layers of an onion, instead of rewriting the whole app in one go. While you keep adding new services, a router can send incoming traffic to new services. The final step is to get rid of the existing application now that you have replaced them all with container optimized alternatives. The legacy app is now ready to be retired. Some customers do choose to rewrite completely from scratch. The third pattern is cloud native applications. Cloud native applications are those which specifically are built to take advantage of the cloud models. Cloud native is not just about where applications are run, but these are more about how apps are built, deployed, and managed in order to take advantage of the elasticity and agility of the cloud. Our recommendation is a solution that permits separation of concerns. Let developers just develop code without worrying about the infra or application platform. Pick the right application and architecture. Frameworks, runtimes that are interoperable and they can work together in the same deployment. Pick the right container-based application platform for a high degree of automation, self-healing, resiliency, and portability. We spoke about OpenShift. Now we also will speak about ROAR, Red Hat OpenShift application runtimes. These are curated best-of-breed open source runtimes and frameworks for building your next-gen cloud-native applications. Our customers want choice, but guided choice, so that their developers can use their skills and choose the right runtime for the right workload. You may be building traditional monolithic applications or developing new applications based on microservices, or perhaps function as a service could be another focus area. Regardless of what application paradigm you choose, OpenShift enables your developers to use the same tools and processes to build and deploy their applications, built based on whatever suits the job best. With the ever-changing landscape, we can only prepare and be ready for the future. Today's applications, tomorrow's applications, evolve with technology and embrace innovation in open source. Red Hat's platforms are ready for what comes next.